What's up, y'all? How's it going today? Thanks for tuning in. Trying something different. I'm trying my first mukbang. What's interesting is I don't even cook, but today's my first mukbang. I got some porgies. Get some of that. Let's see that. Look at this. Some porgies, some fresh salad, Italian bread, steak fries. Yeah, yeah. Fruit punch for my dressing for my salad, right? I got some balsamic vinaigrette and a good old ketchup, right? I prayed already for my food, so I'm gonna get right on into it. Yeah. My baby could cook. I don't cook, so all my nutrients over my baby. Let's stay five, boy. Steak fries? Y'all see the steak fries, right? I'm gonna put some more ketchup on there. Got the Hellmann's. You know what I'm saying? Hellmann's ketchup. But, I'm not picky. I'm not a picky eater. That's one thing. I'm greedy. I'll rock out with futon ketchup if I have to. No, my favorite ketchup really is Heinz ketchup. That's my favorite. You know what I'm saying? But real. Get a bite of this nice buttery, juicy, fucking Italian bread. I'm gonna take my. Sometimes I break down and sing just for no reason when the food is good. I'm gonna take my bread to the steak. I'm sorry, but pardon me. What's going on in the world today, man? It's new. You know they talking about in hip hop is I don't know how many y'all watch reality TV, but Lil Fizz and that girl Abram, Marion's ex, he's saying that Lil Fizz was deserving of the Pootie Cat. He said he deserved the Pootie Cat. But the thing is, they used to be friends, man. Like in a whole group. I don't know how that really works. You friends with somebody growing up, and then y'all kind of fall out, and then you date their baby moms. Is that okay? I don't know, y'all. That's alright to date somebody who's like your brother or sister, like your family, and then y'all fall out, and then you would date their baby moms or baby father. There's no code. There's no ethics on there. There's no code of ethics. There's no black line, no white line on that. I don't know. I'm just saying. I was a little kind of grimy, but so people just everybody doing it nowadays. Everybody just doing them. Some can't control certain things, but out of respect, if you see something that you look like a situation like that, y'all shouldn't be around each other. I'm sorry, yeah, that's crazy. Family, that's just a no-no. You don't squeegee pond. That means do the oink oink, trying to keep it PG. With no family members, exes or nexes, that's off limits. You know what I mean? Some people just don't care. They ride with it. You gotta, certain things is just, or it's just a no-go. You know how some people don't understand that. No respect, no self-discipline. Me and five, okay, big five, Did that ketchup? Yeah. Fish. I took a goat. There's fish. That's me playing the violin because it's over for any fucking fish. It's over. But what I'm saying is, I need to work on just not doing grimy things to one another, or the people that we really cool or consider family or friends. We shouldn't be doing that. It's not right. I'm about to down with some of the ice, juice. This is not alcohol beverage. Have you know that out? Have you know that no alcohol? I'm doing good. Boom, shakalaka. I'm a cheap rocker. Well, I mean, what if your friends who became enemies, right? Does that change the game? Does that change the rules? If y'all used to be cool and now not cool no more, does that make it okay? Then we'll get kind of different. I don't know. Some people might feel different about it. Oh snap! Kaboom! Guess who came in the room? Yo, J Love, give me that plate. My baby. My baby. Look at that. It's my lasagna. And more porgies. Look at that lasagna. Drip, drip, drip. Drippity drip. Today's drip. That's the real drip right there, big. I'm trying to do a little less carbs from to eat it for me. Woo! No, give me fucking. I mean, excuse me. Give me some lasagna. I'm too weak. I'm too weak. Yeah. Score. I have some lasagna. I cheated. I tried. I tried to be healthy. You know what I'm saying? Temptation. Why you have to come here? No, yeah. They tempt me like that. See, but that's I gotta work on my willpower. You know I couldn't get up and eat all the food. It's been feeding me. That was low though. You just gonna sit right in front of me and eat the lasagna. You know I'm trying to do the right thing. Bones. Gotta slow down the carbs, but only one was good. You know, y'all, you gotta sometimes make amends. Like, we ain't gonna be cool with nobody. Then that's off out the door. That's out the door, then, right? Then it's free ball. Every man for himself. Don't care whose baby mom used to be, who baby father used to be. If y'all was friends and you could date your exes and y'all do that. Okay. No, okay. That's how it goes. Alright, man. Well, I don't know. Some people have little things. Start with a P. Called principles. Got principles. You're not gonna do that regardless. You know, that makes it each his own. That's in my fist. I would like to think in his past life he was named Tim. Rest in peace, Tim. But give my fish a name. Cause you know he sacrificed his life to get on this plate. Swimming around in somebody's ocean, he didn't know he's gonna end up on this plate. Did you, Tim? Here you are. Who you did somebody dirty? Probably out there in the water cheating like a mother. Now here you go. Like I said, I'm gonna pay to cheat. I hear that ice. I like that ice in my juice. What you said, Tim? I can't. It's too late for that. Yo, fish, y'all. I know a lot of people doing that vegan thing and all that. Excuse me. No, alright. But Some people, I don't know. I'm not into that, so I don't know. Is fish allowed on the vegan diet? Or is it just like plants, like grass and grasshoppers and beans? I don't know. Just I'm just like not really. I'm a virgin in about the vegan lifestyle, so I don't know. That's why I can't do it. I like seafood, I like fish. I'm something down on the red meat though. Give myself a little bing 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 thumbs up for that. Someone down when it comes to that. This salad. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Get some of this salad. Alright, guys. This is salad. But look at this. Let me tell you something. You see this green spinach in your face? That's fresh spinach. See in my teeth? Pardon me. Well, some salads, you know, that like the lettuce that be all light green and my baby don't give me that type of salad, do you, baby?
No.
No, gotta be fresh spinach, real good fresh spinach, like good, and gotta be. You see this? Carrots, juicy, juicy carrot, real good. So, pardon me. And look, onions, red onions. Let's do some of this. Choo juice. Yep. Don't cheat when I eat. You gotta just go for what you know. What I'm doing, will make you happy without ultimately stepping on nobody's toes. You know what I'm saying? Because life, see that? Too short for that. Can't be doing all that. Now, live and let live. Do them and do it respectfully. You gotta be a savage. I'm a savage right now. Vowel hour. Welcome to the vowel hour. Yes. He's still light in the background. It's happy hour in the bar. So I'm being at home. It's the vowel hour. You play. Whatever's going on, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. You know, summer's hot. The heat wave in New York. Crazy out here, man. They're talking about going up to 100 and some degrees for me over the weekend. It's crazy. I'm started bugging. But when winter comes, everybody gonna be like, I can't wait for the summer. Not me. Not me. After this summer, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna take it again. Not gonna take it. It's too damn hot. It's hot. Nah, I'm good with that. I could do better than that. You gotta give me time. If I was making soda, I would light it up. So, you know, the best meal, man. It's healthy. And you don't gotta feel guilty about what you ate. But I do feel a little guilty because I teased and had some lasagna But see that, ooh,